guys, welcome to this 5 bedroom mansionette in Milagro Estate. It's a 5 bedroom mansionette. I've been building this for the last 3 years. I've been doing it in face by face. And as you can see, this is the entry porch. It's big. It comes all the way to this side. And these big cantilever beams, as you can see, cantilevered balconies. So it is an L-shaped balcony and an L-shaped entry porch. Now from the entrance, okay, you can see big windows for the bedroom. And here we are at the entrance. This is a foyer. So the foyer extends to this point, and you extend to the first living room or the first lounge, and also call it a family room. And then from this side we have a common toilet there. It is a common toilet. Then when you come to this side, we have the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom, and it is a suite. Can fit a 5 by 6 bed. Big window. The height of the house is 3 meters, high ceilings. Then you come to this side. This side you have the sitting area, very spacious. You have a TV unit there. And this side we have the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the dining area with a big window. Open plan kitchen. We have a kitchen countertop there. Big window to allow light. And this side you have the kitchen. The open plan kitchen we're talking about. This is the kitchen. And this side have the pantry area. We have a laundry area here. And then that takes us to the back door. That takes us to the first floor. And the first floor, that is a lobby or landing. Here the first floor we have 3 bedrooms. This is the second bedroom. It is a suite. This is wardrobe space. And we have the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Also, it is a suite. We also have a prayer room here. This is the prayer room. Very spacious. On this side we have the master bedroom, very spacious. The master bedroom, spacious enough. And here we have the walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet. And on this side we have the master bath. This is the master bath. And proceed to the balcony. And this is the balcony that is sharing for the whole house. Get through that door. And then balcony. And she, a very big balcony, of course. Very big one, showing. We'll do aluminium windows here. We proceed to the second big window. Stairs are not steep, as you can see. Very good. This is the roof. Second floor. Second floor. Terrace. Terrace. Can see what we have. Let's see what we have. This is the escape. This is the escape. This is the sitting area. The kitchenette here. This will be the kitchenette and the lounge on that side. Then we have a bedroom here. This is the studio like. We have a bedroom here. Wardrobe on that side. And this is the toilet. Toilet on this side. So that was our couple week. So that was our tour at Muhandisi Apex Construction Limited. We design and build. So at Muhandisi Apex Construction Limited, we design and build. This is our number. We can design such a unit for you and build such a unit for you. We have designed, approved, and constructed this house for our client. So thank you.